This is Chris Gill with your Peak Fitness cardio workout of the day. All right, so today's workout involves a circuit of 4 exercises performed for 5 reps each. What we're going to do is set our clock for 5 minutes, perform each exercise back to back as a circuit. So I do 5 of each thing. Okay, I start over, and then I'm going to perform 4 of each thing. Okay, I go back to back, 4 reps of each thing, and then I start over and I do 3 of each thing. So we're doing what we call a countdown circuit, where we count down from 5 to 1. Now the goal in this circuit is to get from 5 to 1 back to 5. Okay, so once we get down to 1, we start over and we start doing 2 of each exercise again, and then 3 of each exercise, and we build back up to 5 reps. And if that's confusing to you, just continue to perform 5 reps of each exercise. That's perfectly fine. You're certainly going to get what you need. So I'm just going to demonstrate the exercises here and a couple subs to make them easier and harder. Now our first exercise, okay, is an inchworm. So I'm just going to come into a push-up position, crawl backwards, and crawl forward 5 times. All right, to make that harder, you can come into a push-up, crawl back, and crawl forward. All right, my next exercise is an air squat. Okay, it's the easiest version of an air squat. Just going to get my butt down to a chair. All right, to make that harder, simply squat down farther, just like that. All right, my third exercise, okay, would be 5 lateral crawls. All right, so I'm going to come back into a push-up position, just crawl from one side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then crawl back 5. To make that harder, we can add a push-up. Okay, and my last exercise here, okay, would be a burpee with a jumping jack. Okay, so a burpee with a jumping jack burpee. All right, and those are your exercises to make that easier. Okay, we can simply do a sprawl where I'm just standing up, coming together, coming back down. Okay, but either one is going to get whatever gets the heart rate up works very well. So in its entirety, again, I'm looking for 5 inchworms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lateral crawls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 5 sprawl or burpees. Jump jack. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, now for those that have issues with their upper body, all right, if you need a substitute for either the inchworm or the lateral crawl, all right, what we're going to do is use an exercise band. All right, so I have a substitute here. Okay, so rather than doing the inchworms, you would simply take the band out here, squat down, come up, and pull back. So we have a squat to band pull back. Okay, and then instead of the lateral crawls, we're just going to do a band pull back. So as our substitute exercise for individuals with upper body issues, we have 5 squats with a lateral pull back, 5 air squats, 5 pullbacks like this. Okay, and then you can just go jumping jacks where 1, 2, 3. The key is that we move quickly. All right, as long as you do that, you're going to get what you need. But the goal is get from 5 to 1, back to 5. If that confuses you, just do 5 reps of everything for 5 minutes as a circuit. That's your cardio workout of the day.